Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Shein. They do have a Black Friday sale going on for their wigs, y'all. So we'll be telling y'all all about it. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. I did go ahead and choose this Burgundy 99J wig. It did come body wave and it was 28 inches, y'all. When I say 10 out of 10, the quality of this wig, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. A lot of parting space, literally everything. I did not bleach the knots or anything. Literally put the wig on fresh out of the box. It was very easy to install as well, y'all. A little bit about Shein Black Friday wig sale. They do have a buy one wig, get one free. Yes, as I mentioned, they do have a buy one wig, get one free. And y'all, these human hair wigs are definitely 10 out of 10. This is like my 7th, 8th time working with them. Literally, y'all, they never disappoint. Not only that, to find the wigs that are buy one, get one free, you can search up 111. Everything about this wig and the promotion will be in the description box. Literally everything that you need to know will be below, y'all. Definitely go and check them out and see what they have to offer.
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting all with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
I did decide to go in and put curls in it with a middle part, something simple and cute, y'all. As I mentioned, everything about this wig will be in the description box. Not only that, everything about the Black Friday wig sale will be below as well, y'all. Definitely go and check them out. As y'all know, it is about to be winter. Definitely a good time to invest in some wigs and get you some wigs. Not only that, it is buy one get one free. So yes, as I mentioned, everything will be below, y'all. We are at 50K on the road to 100K. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go tell a friend about my channel. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.